today's inspiration, we got the blue hair, but we actually got this inspiration from a pair of shoes. Now the goal isn't to recreate the exact same design, but to recreate the exact same concept so it could fit the model. First things first, grab the level 3 pencils. They come in all different type of colors. Using each pencil, making sure that every single line is where it needs to be, creating the design the way we want it to be so we can take the amazing photos that we're going for. Okay guys, quick tip for you. If you're ever working on a haircut or a style, make sure your model always dresses up first before you style the hair. That way you don't mess it up. Then we're gonna show Farron what level 3 is all about.